pick a bird.
Okay, but anyway. Hey guys, we're back here. We're at PetSmart. Hold on, wait, let me see. So the phone's at 31%.
Oh, we won't take long.
Okay. Okay, I'm taking it in. We're gonna pick the bird that I want. Well, the bird I want is a green parakeet, but still.
Let's go.
I'm excited. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we're going in. I'm excited.
You're excited.
Yeah.
We got to hurry up and find the birds before your phone runs down.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a bird.
There's a blue one.
Aw, there's a hamster up there. It looks like a... Okay, guys.
We go. We can find.
I see birds.
Do you see the birds?
Yes, it's right here. The birds. Oh,
Oh my, look at all the birds.
they're so
They
cute.
got that green one, that green one,
I want
and
that.
that green one over there, and the green one there. Oh, they got birds everywhere.
They're so cute.
Aren't they just so cute? Now you get to figure out. There's a yellow one. Oh, look at the pretty one.
I'm wanting one of these three down
That one's
here.
sort of pretty.
Yeah, they're
Look under his
cute.
wings. Look at that one's got a yellow head.
I like this one. Oh, it's cute. It's so pretty. I like this one. It's so cute. Oh, you're pretty. Oh,
Look at the nest. Look at them little babies.
they're so cute. Look at them. Look at them.
Look at this one. And then look at that one up there.
Aw, it's cute.
That's amazing.
Hi. Aw.
That's a green cheek contour. And I think that's the highlight of them. That's all the birds they have.
Oh, I'm wanting. Yeah, I want one of these. How do I do this? I want one of these. They're so cute. Oh, hi.
Look at that one's puppy cheek.
Aw, it's
That
cute.
one likes to swing.
I'm sort of wanting that one right there.
Well, we got to find out which one's a boy and which one's a girl, I guess.
Well, maybe I'm just gonna.
You don't care now, do you?
No.
If it's a boy or a girl.
Because I'm gonna name it Leo if it's a. I'm gonna name it Leo if it's a boy.
I don't see anything in there. It must be hamsters.
Up down. Maybe I found some of them.
Oh, I see them in there.
Aw, they're cute.
They're guinea pigs. Cute.
Oh,
There's some more rats.
that's a hamster. They're hamsters. Oh, but I want a bird. Hi, baby. Hi.
What is this stuff? We got pet toys. But I don't know what kind of pet toy this is.
Oh,
I don't know if Uncle Ricky's got feeders in there.
but maybe. The phone, your phone is at 31%.
Well, you can turn it off right now if you go
Um,
back to the bird.
I want to go back to going back to the birds. I'm wanting this one right there.
That one?
Yeah, the one that's fluffy and stuff. Oh, I want it. So
Look at
cute.
them swinging up there.
Oh, they're
That one's
cute.
more active.
All birds are cute. And I want this one right here.
When she gets through, we'll tell her we want the green bird. But we need to find. We got the green.
Yeah.
We need to find one of those.
Okay. I'm excited to get one. Oh wait, here's a bird bath. Here's a bird bath. Here's some.
Oh, look at this thing.
Uh-huh.
It's a playground.
And here's a bird bath. See guys, this is a bird bath.
Let's see, all living things, small bird playground.
Oh.
What's that for them to swim in too, isn't it? One base, one ladder, one swing, one string of beads, one glue bottle. Assembly instructions. Oh, you got to put it together.
Well,
That'll take up space in the bottle.
I really want a bird. Yeah, but hey, here's a mirror.
It is, isn't it?
I'm excited.
Well, let's ask this girl what all we need. We got a cage, but we need to find him a little. That was just a swing.
Aww, they're so cute. I still want this one that's right there.
All right, let's find him.
Um,
Oh, we got to get bird feed.
here.
What's all of that? Reptile stuff. Ew, this is all.
Okay, well guys, while we're picking stuff, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later. Bye.